Despite Sammy's hesitation, the friends decide to venture into the enchanted garden, pushing open the creaky gate. As they explore deeper into the garden, they come across a hidden pathway leading to a sparkling fountain. With courage in their hearts, the friends each make a wish and toss a coin into the fountain. Suddenly, the garden begins to shimmer and glow as their wishes start to come true.